Greetings, it's Monday, March 15th, and tunnel jacking has begun on the Brightline Highway 528 tunnel installation project in Cocoa, Florida. I visited the site on Sunday, March 14th, and found locked gates and a deserted site. Preparations are complete and everyone gets the day off before an intense 2-week push. When I arrived at the site this morning, it was obvious it had been a busy night. Overnight, tunnel section 1 had already been moved about 50 feet. This shot shows the basics of the tunnel jacking operation. The 21 hydraulic jacks have been fully extended to push the tunnel another 18 inches or so forward. The bottom 2 jacks have already been retracted. When all the jacks are fully retracted, filler sections are inserted and the process starts again. When enough filler sections have been added, they will be removed and replaced with the round supports. Out in front of the tunnel, 2 excavators are handling the dirt removal. The one closest to the tunnel section is moving dirt up to where the other one can get it and load it into waiting dump trucks. Eastbound traffic on 528 has been diverted to single lane in the normally westbound lane. Looking back at the jacking operation, all jacks have been retracted and the 3rd filler is being installed. A few minutes later, the next push has begun. It is very slow, so I've sped the action up 4 times its normal speed to show you what happens. I went back to the site a bit after 4 p.m. and saw they had finished the section they were working on and started the next. Looks like they are moving at about 2 feet an hour. Out in front, the excavators are doing their thing. It appears they are using GPS or laser leveling references. Thanks for watching how this tunnel is progressing with me. I plan on being back out there daily and doing regular updates. Like the video and subscribe to follow along. Cheers.